guys, welcome to this review. So today I'm going to be reviewing Secret Email System. So if you've probably found this review, you're probably looking into making online a lot of money, but basically you want to make it with the easiest possible way and the most sustainable way possible. Now I know a lot of people, when they want to make a lot of money online, one of the struggles they have is they probably don't have enough time. How can they speed up the process? How can they automate the process? Because you don't really want to be sitting there making, a lot of amount of videos, trying to get traffic, or even the starting point can be a little bit difficult. That's what Secret Email System solves. Why? Because one of the secrets to all of the top affiliate marketers out there that make a ton of money online, it is that golden email list. It is that what actually creates them most of their income. Now, when I'm kind of like looking at how this actually works, I can obviously already see that the creator here has already put a lot of thought into exactly what you're gonna need to pretty much benefit in terms of how to get started with affiliate marketing in general. So as you can see here, they've got video guides into high converting offers. They've got checklists, all of the good things, as well as formulas in terms of what you actually need to maximize your click subscribers and earnings per click. So now what we're actually going to look at is, obviously you can see the model of the structure of how this system works. It provides you with a chance to not have to create sales pages, make ads, or sell products, because all you're going to be doing is creating an email list that's profitable and directing traffic to that. And that is as simple as it gets. Now, in terms of what my bonuses actually are in terms of this product, what I offer you essentially is, if you get it through my affiliate link, you're going to be able to maximize your different channels of income with this method, as well as maximize the amount of free traffic that you can use to grow. How am I going to do this? Well, because I have software that actually helps me to promote my videos, so there's a good reason why I have so many YouTube channels, and each one of them is generating me income on a daily basis. And the way I do this is because I have this bonus number one here, where I'll boost your video to high quality traffic and send traffic to your offers. That's actually going to help you to actually get sales on your products that you're affiliating for. So you can imagine the hardest thing to actually do when you're starting affiliate marketing is to actually get those people seeing your offer. That's the issue that I'll be solving with this first bonus. So two of your videos, any videos that you like, there may be even videos created by the affiliate on the JV page, videos that you've created, video reviews. If you ever want to get started, I will actually create boost your videos to get at least 200 views and likes, and that's going to actually allow you to possibly get sales from the start. So you could actually make $100-$200 by the end of a few days or so, if you've created good quality videos and you promote them with this. Then the second bonus that I offer is I will create a channel art for you and optimize your YouTube channel. So if you want to create a YouTube channel, you don't know where to start, I'll create your YouTube art, profile picture, as well as optimize that channel for you with the good descriptions and keywords and everything that needs to be there for it to start ranking, so you can have another form of passive income on top of that email list. And this is also going to help you to build that email list a lot faster as well. Then I'm also going to throw in my Pinterest traffic secrets on how you can actually generate a lot of income with Pinterest, but not only just a lot of income, how you can generate a crazy amount of traffic. All my methods are mostly focused on free traffic methods, because that's the most sustainable. And when you get that going, it's not only the most sustainable, it's the most profitable as well. So I focus on that as well. Then also show you my Bing Ads mastery. If you really want to maximize your email list growth super fast, the Bing Ads mastery will actually show you how to do that as well. Then I also have my YouTube fast track on how you can get 1,000 subscribers in 30 days. Now this is a special one because this is something that I've actually used, and you actually get to see the back end of my channel in terms of exactly what I do to grow all my YouTube channels and how I can grow them to get monetized and start making money off my channels. Then you also have the bonus here where you can chat to me one-to-one and I'll guide you through anything that you like in terms of affiliate marketing. And then here I can create YouTube graphics and intro for you as well once I create a YouTube channel, and then I can also help you to create that landing page as well. So all you need to do is basically, once you click that link below in the description, it's going to take you to this page where all my bonuses are displayed, and then you can simply click on that to go forward, and then it's going to allow you to basically claim these bonuses when you get to the checkout, and you're going to be able to enjoy the kind of experience you're going to get with this product. Now, as you can see on here, all of these things are included in the product, which is one of the key things. So as you can see on here, you get to see masterminds, you get to see, you know, everything about handwritten notes, interview, everything you can see here is going to be reviewed to you. Now, one thing I would say is, obviously, if you want to maximize the amount of traffic you're going to get from the start of this, building an email list, you actually need to put a little bit of effort in, but also you need to add those bonuses that I've showed you if you want to actually get the most out of this product. So I'm just going to let you click on this page that's linked down below as well, where you can claim our bonuses but also see how good this product actually is. See the kind of testimony that the creators created for you here, explaining exactly why an email list is important and how it's the most passive way you can actually make affiliate commissions online in 2020 and forever. Thank you for watching this video review. See you, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.